Watch out, you're in the way. Right here we have our two dumerils, a male and a female. Their names are Cealy and Bones. As you can see, Cealy is the one without the white marking on top. Bones is the one that has that white little freckle on her head. And they're about to eat. So they ready to tack some shit up. Now for all y'all that don't like when somebody feeds live, this video ain't for you. Now you can send all the fucking comments you want. I don't give a shit. I'm feeding my snakes what I want to fucking feed them. Oh shit! She ain't waste no time. And they pretty much about to be dead and eaten. So Cealy's about to eat his, and Bones is about to eat. Well, hers just keep on going. She gotta wrap her a little bit more around him. But he's dying.
Gave me one of which, so I'm thinking the different species of duckling. So that one's like black and...
I know one thing, the inside of this tank needs to be white.
This what?
It needs to be white.
Oh. Because that's the only one.
They're eating two ducklings. Again, this is Cealy, my male dumeril, and this is Bones, my female. And if you notice, she's a little darker, more darker than what he is.
Oh shit. He snapped his neck as soon as he grabbed him. It went.